Draw this network again here carefully. At t is equal to 0 minus, we are doing the analysis. At t is equal to 0 minus. Now tell me, at t is equal to 0 minus, what we can say? Supply connection is this, which is opened. Supply connection for both inductor, capacitor, this capacitor also. So will be steady state. Steady state. In steady state, inductor is shorted, capacitor is open. So draw this network here. And this capacitor is open here. Switch is open now here. Here is another capacitor. Now this is 4, this is 2, this is 18. So we can say here V2C of 0 minus, and this one is a VC of 0 minus, and this is what? IL of 0 minus, and this is IL of 0 minus. Now tell me IL of 0 minus. How much is IL of 0 minus here? IL of 0 minus 18 by 6 now. 18 by 6. So how much it is? 3 amperes. And then so this total voltage. How much this total voltage is? 12 volts. And this 12 volts will divide for this capacitor as well as this capacitor now. So we can apply the voltage division. So V2C of 0 minus, which is equal to what now? C by 3C into 12. So that is V2C of 0 minus, which will get it as a 4 volts. Next VC. VC, this voltage of 0 minus is how much it is? Obviously 8 volts now. Right, these are the initial values. Now I will redraw this network, complete network. Yes, at t is equal to 0 plus. This is what? Immediately after closing the action, switching action. So I can call this as what? Transient state. In transient state, this inductor is open circuit, capacitor is shorted, inductor, but initial current and initial voltage we have. This thing now, capacitor is shorted like this, and switch is closed now, and here this inductor is open, but we have some initial current. And this capacitor, and the capacitor now this one. How much this value? This is 2, and this is 4, and this is how much we got? This is 4. This is 4 volts, and this is 8 volts. And whatever this current is in 3 amperes. This is 3 amperes. We need to get this current now here. This is IR 0 plus, isn't it? This current we want now. Now what we can do here, so then this voltage, how much it is? 4 volts now here. So from this current is how much it is? 1 ampere. Now this total voltage is 12 volts we have seen now. Then can I get this current now here? 18 minus 12 by 2. Yes, so that is how much it is? This current is I. So how much this I is now here? 18 minus 12 by 2 now here. So it is 3 amperes. So this current is 3 amperes. So this current is 1, means this current I can say 2 amperes will go here. Next, this current is 1 ampere and this current is 2 amperes. Now this current is how much it is? 3 amperes, means this current is 2 amperes, means this current is how much? 0. Isn't it? Like that. Like that we can do fatafat. Next problem.